It started out as a perfect day. I'm on a spring creek. The sun is setting, the temperature is perfect, the water's cold, and I'm catching beautiful trout.
Almost an 18-inch brown trout out of this little spring creek. What a fish. All right. Just found my first grizzly track of the season. And that is 100% a grizzly. You can see the claws. And you can see out here where he crossed this creek. There's another one out there. That is 100% grizzly right there. And here's what I saw. Bear track. This is bear scat. Full of berries. Look at that. So there's food out here for them. I found the grizzly. It's time to get out of here. There he is. Oh my gosh. First ever grizzly. Wow. Wasn't a very good video, but that's what that was. Whew. All right. Out there's where I had my first ever grizzly encounter. Whew. It was a big one. It was really, really big. And it was not afraid of me. I'd been blowing my whistle, yelling, making noise, talking. Still walked right up on him. So I think I've got good enough distance now to do a little video, and I just eased on out of there. I walked right up on him. Whew. This is something else out here, boy. We're right on the edge of the wilderness there. So I knew they were out here. Saw the track, saw the scat, and then saw the bear. All right. I'm going to do a self-interview on my very first grizzly encounter. Just walked up on a big one. I'm out here, if you can see behind me. I don't think you can because of the sun, but I'm out here in the wilderness. Fishing's great. I'm catching lots of fish. I just caught 10 trout on 15 casts, about as good as it gets. Walked up on a grizzly track. Big track, and I know what a grizzly track looks like. So, made me think a little. Fishing was good. I've been blowing my whistle. I got a bell. I'm talking. I even yelled a few times, making noise, doing all the things you're supposed to do. I see a field. So I'm thinking, all right, let me get out in an open place here where I can see what's going on. So I go out in this field, find a huge pile of bear dung, bear scat, full of berries. And they're gorging themselves right now to get ready for hibernation. I knew what it was. It's a big old pile of grizzly dung. So at that point, I'm thinking maybe I should head back, but nah, I keep moving. I keep going in deeper, keep moving up the creek. And I see this high place. So I go up and think, well, if I get the high ground, I can see what's going on. So I walk way up on the side of this hill overlooking the creek. And I see this huge brown spot in the grass across the creek from me. I knew exactly what it was. It started moving. I didn't say a word. I stayed quiet, took my phone out, tried to hit record. The lens is dirty. I don't think I got very good footage of it. I normally have my camera gear out here and I'm filming. I didn't bring it today. I just wanted to fish. So of course, the day I don't bring my camera gear, it's the day I see my first ever grizzly bear. So I didn't say anything. I get my camera out. He somehow sees me and he flips around. He's just kind of gets up on his back legs looking at me, and he's really, really big. And so I slowly start backing out of there while I'm trying to film, and he's checking me out. And he kind of started moving the other direction, so I backed on out of there, and that's where I'm at now. I'm back at the truck. So that's my story.
I survived my first grizzly encounter, and I was headed back to civilization. And as I was driving down the highway, I caught a glimpse of one of the most beautiful sunsets I had ever seen. I stopped the truck and pulled over. And this is what I recorded. And I guess it was only appropriate after such an exciting day that God would give me a sunset like this. So enjoy this sunset and watch as it disappears over the view.